In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add TriStar Bullish, quick and easy. We'll be working inside Tradingview, so go ahead and open up the chart of any market you want to analyze. This could be a stock, a crypto pair, forex, whatever you normally look at. Once your chart is open and you're comfortable with the layout, we're ready to add the TriStar Bullish indicator. First, move your mouse to the top of the chart area and look for the Indicators button. Depending on your layout, it might say Indicators or Indicators and Strategies, but it's usually along the top toolbar. Click on that and a search window or panel will pop up. This is where you can find all the built-in indicators and community scripts that TradingView offers. Inside that search bar, start typing the word STAR. You don't need to type the full name of the pattern, just the word STAR is enough to bring up the relevant options. As you type, TradingView will filter the list in real time, showing you any indicators that match your search. Take a moment to scan the results so you don't accidentally click the wrong one. From that list, look for TriStar Bullish. When you see it, simply click on it once. As soon as you click, the indicator will be added directly to your chart. You should now see visual markings or labels where the TriStar Bullish pattern appears in your price action. If nothing shows up right away, don't worry. This pattern is relatively specific, so it may not be present in the current section of price. Try zooming out, scrolling back, or checking different timeframes until you spot it. At this point, you can customize how it looks if you want. In TradingView, most indicators let you adjust colors, labels, or visibility by hovering over the indicator name in the chart's legend and clicking the settings icon. That way, you can make the TriStar Bullish pattern stand out clearly against your candles, which is especially helpful if your chart is already crowded with other tools. If you're planning to use TradingView more seriously, I recommend upgrading to TradingView Pro using the affiliate link in the description. It helps support the channel at no extra cost to you, and you'll unlock additional features like more indicators per chart, more alerts, and an overall smoother experience, which makes working with patterns like TriStar Bullish much easier. And that's it. You've successfully added the TriStar Bullish indicator to your TradingView chart, and you're ready to start incorporating it into your analysis.